Thank you for finding the Watch Lab. Having traded since 2000 and supported by a state-of-the-art head office workshop, the company is a specialist watch repair only business. The Watch Lab has to date repaired around 1.2 million watches through their UK network of shopping centre labs. All watch brands are repaired. We service wind-up watches, automatics and restore vintage watches. Watch Lab branches reseal and replace batteries on the same day with brands such as TAG Heuer, plus carry out part repairs including fitting of new winders, glass, straps and taking links out of watches bought online. With a free estimate service, guarantee of workmanship and tens of thousands of happy and loyal customers, give the Watch Lab a try. Visit a branch or fill out a quick inquiry form found on most pages of this website.